In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ad segments in table metadata in Metabase. Segments in Metabase are reusable, curated filters that define a meaningful subset of your data, like active customers or high-value orders. Creating them in table metadata helps everyone in your organization ask consistent questions without rebuilding the same filter logic over and over. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and simply. First, open your Metabase instance in your browser and sign in. You'll start from the Metabase home screen. To work with segments, you need access to the admin area. Look for the admin settings option, usually available from the gear icon or your profile menu. If you don't see it, you might need an administrator to grant you the proper permissions. Inside admin settings, navigate to table metadata. This area, sometimes listed under the data model settings, is where you curate how your tables, fields, and reusable logic appear to people across Metabase. Think of it as the place where raw database structures get translated into clear, business-friendly definitions. From table metadata, go to the segments section. This is the catalog of all segments defined across your data model. If your organization works with multiple databases, make sure you're viewing the correct one so your new segment ends up in the right place. Next, click New Segment. This opens the segment creation view where you'll give your segment a clear identity and context. Start by naming your segment. Choose a name that instantly communicates what it represents, using business terminology your teammates already understand. Short, precise names work best. For example, active customers, new signups last 30 days, or open tickets are clearer than vague labels. If your team uses naming conventions, follow them for consistency and easier discovery. Now describe your segment. The description is your opportunity to explain the why behind the segment and summarize the logic at a high level. Include the business definition, the time frame or thresholds that matter, and any caveats a user should know, like whether it's limited to a particular region or product line. Write it in plain language so analysts and non-analysts can both understand it. This description appears in tooltips and search, making it much easier for teammates to find and use the segment confidently. That's it. You've navigated to table metadata, opened segments, created a new segment, given it a clear name, and provided a helpful description. With these pieces in place, your organization can reuse this logic in questions and dashboards.